everyone, and welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today we're going to talk about the tips and tricks for layering your necklaces. So I love layering necklaces because I feel like you can just wear a really casual outfit, and putting on a bunch of necklaces really dresses it up, and you can kind of style depending on your mood or the occasion. Some of my tips for styling and layering your necklaces are to mix textures, to mix widths and lengths. So for instance, I love throwing on a gold chain with almost any necklace. It's just the perfect extra piece to throw on. It usually complements whatever diamond necklace or dainty necklace that you're wearing. We just launched a few of our favorite gold necklace staple pieces, like our paperclip chain necklace, our beaded chain necklace, and our oro chain. These are necklaces that you can put on and really never have to take off because they style well with other pieces. When you wear a shorter length necklace, you really want to pair it with something a little bit longer or something that is more of a drop. You want to kind of mix between like diamonds, thin chains, and then thicker pieces, just so you have that difference in contrast. Most of our pieces and necklaces have alternating lengths, so you have the option to wear it at a longer length or at a shorter length. Our diamond tennis necklace is one of my favorite necklaces to layer with other gold pieces, and you can wear it at a tight choker length or at a more traditional length. Some of my favorite Clear Cut collection pieces to layer together are our diamond tennis necklace with our diamond drip lariat. That is the perfect combo if you're looking to wear a little low cut fancy outfit, or I even love wearing that combination to like a beach party or something where you're just wearing something a little lower cut. I also love the tennis necklace with a gold chain like our paperclip chain. I love pairing our party choker with gold chains like the oro chain or the beaded chain, and wearing that at a slightly longer length, like 16-inch, with the party choker at a 15-inch. Our diamond disc pendant is also the perfect piece to layer on. You can wear two shorter necklaces and that really long necklace, and it is the perfect combo. Do gold on gold on gold, and that is just perfection. If you have a favorite necklace that you love layering with, find out what the length is so you know if you want to order necklaces in a shorter length or a longer length to complement it. If you don't know what size you are, take your necklace off and measure it with a measuring tape and see how many inches the length of the chain is. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Let me know what your favorite pieces to style together and layer with are. Class is dismissed.